Current as of Sunday, 7th December 2025, the political climate in Tamil Nadu is extremely volatile. The standoff between the state government and the judiciary over the Thirupparankundram Deepam has triggered a constitutional debate, while significant realignments are happening in the opposition space involving actor Vijay and the AIADMK. Here is the latest breakdown. 1. The Thirupparankundram standoff escalated. The controversy over lighting the Karthigi Deepam atop the Thirupparankundram hill has become the central political issue this week. The flashpoint: the DMK government defied a Madras High Court order that permitted devotees to light the lamp at the Deepthun, a stone pillar near the Dargah, on the hilltop. The government cited exclusive rights over temple rituals and law and order concerns. Supreme Court snub: in a major setback for the state, the Supreme Court refused to entertain the Tamil Nadu government's urgent plea challenging the High Court order on Friday, 5th December. Despite this, the police blocked access to the hill on the festival day, preventing the ritual. Political fallout: the BJP, led by State President Nanar Nagentran, has accused the DMK of brazenly defying the judiciary to appease minority vote banks. Nagentran and hundreds of cadre were detained during protests. The issue is expected to rock the assembly session starting this week. 2. Major defection to Vijay's TVK. In a massive blow to the AIADMK and a boost for Tamilga Vitri Kazhagam, TVK, senior AIADMK leader and former minister K. A. Sengottaiah has reportedly joined Vijay's party. Significance: Sengottaiah is a veteran heavyweight from the Kongu region, Gobichittipalayam. His shift suggests that Vijay is beginning to crack the vote banks of major Dravidian parties, specifically the AIADMK's Gounder stronghold. Congress TVK flirtation? Adding to the confusion, Praveen Chakravarti, chairman of the All India Professionals Congress, held a closed-door meeting with Vijay at his residence on Friday. This has upset the DMK, forcing TNCC chief K. Selvaperuntagai to issue clarifications that the alliance with DMK remains intact. 3. AIADMK alliance deadlock. The attempt to reunify the AIADMK before the 2026 elections has hit a critical wall. OPS's ultimatum: deposed coordinator O. Pannirselvam, OPS, met Union Home Minister Amit Shah in New Delhi earlier this week. He explicitly conveyed that he would not remain in the NDA unless the BJP ensures a united AIADMK, merging EPAs, OPS, and TTV Dhinakaran factions. EPA's unmoved General Secretary Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, EPAs, has shown no signs of relenting, even as his senior leaders, like Sengottaiah, are being poached by Vijay. 4. The week ahead, Assembly session. The Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly is scheduled to convene on Tuesday, 9th December 2025. Expect fireworks. The session is expected to be stormy. The opposition, AIADMK and BJP, plans to corner the government on the Karur rally stampede from September 2025, where 40 died, and the breakdown of constitutional machinery regarding the Thirupparankundram court order defiance. Justice Aruna Jagdisan probe: the government is likely to table or discuss the interim findings of the Justice Aruna Jagdisan Commission, which was appointed to probe the Karur tragedy. To deflect blame onto the organizers, TVK,